Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and then connect the Edge node. Plug power and modem, then boot the device. Watch the status LED change. Next, install the Fleet Edge agent and register the device with your Fleet account using the device ID and TLS certificate to secure traffic. Once done, make sure NTP and DNS are set to corporate servers so logs and certificates timestamp correctly, and verify the agent reports online in the Fleet console before continuing. You now configure how the node behaves under load and where traffic flows. Define device policies, bandwidth caps, co-S tiers, and security profiles to limit attack surface. Then set routing, choose local breakout for latency-sensitive apps or hub routing for central inspection, and configure 1 NAT when exposing services. After that, schedule OTA updates during low-use windows and set monitoring thresholds for CPU, memory, and temperature so alerts are meaningful. These steps ensure predictable behavior and safe rollout across the fleet. You finish by validating operations and knowing what to do if something breaks. Run end-to-end tests, ping critical endpoints, exercise application transactions, and confirm telemetry flows into the console. Once done, monitor logs and metrics for 24 hours to catch intermittent issues. If a node goes offline, immediately check power and SIM connectivity, then inspect certificate expiry and agent logs for errors. If needed, revert to the previous firmware or push a hotfix. This targeted approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.